Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's story. This is a simple story about a father, a mother, and a daughter, but hidden inside is a powerful lesson for our daily life. It teaches us that sometimes just one small question can make someone feel heavy, and one simple greeting can make someone feel light. Let's listen carefully and discover the wisdom together. One morning, my wife and I went to the market. We walked along the street and met a friend. She smiled and said, "Have you come back from the market?" It was just a short greeting, very simple. She did not ask anything more. She did not say, "What did you buy?" She only said, "Have you come back from the market?" And then she moved on. I thought about this. My daughter, I believe your mother spoke that way for a reason. Maybe she had already decided that one question was enough. Maybe she wanted her words to be light and simple. Maybe she wanted her friend to feel free. I believe your mother will never add another question after, "Have you come back from the market?" She has already chosen where to stop. For her, this one sentence is enough. But many people in this world do not stop like that. They ask more. They say, "What did you buy?" Then the other person must answer. Sometimes the answer is not easy. Imagine my daughter. A woman buys only a little fish and a few vegetables. If someone asks her, "What did you buy?" she must answer, "I bought only fish and vegetables." Do you think she feels proud when she says that? Or maybe she feels small. Maybe her heart feels heavy. Another person may buy only some cheap food. When someone asks, "What did you buy?" they must answer the truth, and that truth may hurt them inside. That is why I say, my daughter, your mother is wise. She knows how to stop. She says only, "Have you come back from the market?" And then she keeps quiet. Her friend answers, "Yes, I am back," and both of them smile. No one feels sad. No one feels heavy. No one feels ashamed. This world is full of greetings. Everywhere we go, we speak greetings. On the road to the market, at the corner of the fence, on the street in the cool evening, at the bus stop, at the office, at a tea shop, on the steps of a pagoda. But greetings should make people feel light, not heavy. Greetings should give people peace, not pain. My daughter, why do we not stop at "Have you eaten?" Why must we add, "What did you eat?" Why do we not stop at, "Is it cooked?" Why must we say, "What dish did you cook?" We also ask, "When did you graduate?" "How much salary do you get?" These questions sound simple, but sometimes they are very hard to answer. Think, my daughter, if someone could not finish school, how do they feel when they must answer, "I did not graduate"? They feel pain. If someone has a small salary, how do they feel when they must answer, "My salary is not good"? They feel shame. But people keep asking, and so others must keep answering. This is not kindness. This is not gentle. This is not love. So I tell you, my daughter, let us not hurt our friends with our questions. Let us stop before the question becomes too heavy. Let us use only light greetings, greetings that make people smile, greetings that do not hurt their hearts. When I come home later, I will talk to you and remind you. When you meet someone who comes back from the market, do not ask, "What did you buy?" When you meet someone who is cooking, do not ask, "What dish did you cook?" When you meet someone who is eating, do not ask, "What did you eat with it?" When you meet someone who finished school, do not ask, When did you graduate? When you meet someone who works, do not ask, how much is your salary? My daughter, remember this. Sometimes a small question can become a big burden. Sometimes one simple sentence is enough. Your mother knows this. She has chosen to stop at the right place. That is why her greetings are light. That is why her words give peace. Let us be like her, my daughter. Let us give greetings that bring smiles. Let us speak words that bring freedom. Let us be people who make others feel light, not heavy. This is what I want to teach you, my dear child. My friends, what lesson can we learn from this story? We learn that kindness is not only in big actions, but also in small words. A simple greeting can bring peace, but too many questions can hurt the heart. So let us speak gently. Let us choose light words, like the wise mother in the story, because the best greeting is one that brings a smile, not a burden. Thank you for watching. If you liked this story, please like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring lessons from everyday life.